Magandang araw mga ka-IM. Ngayong araw ay ating aalamin ang mga safety precautions before operating a machine. A heavy machine can be easily operated by an operator that has full of knowledge. So kailangan alam at nauunawaan natin ang operations manual to prevent any risk and hindrance before operating. To avoid dangers in the working area, kinakailangan i-check muna if there's any signs of hazardous conditions. Maging alerto sa mga malalambot na lupa, especially when working on slopes, near drop-offs, excavations, or fill material. Dahil ang mga hazardous conditions na ito ay maaaring maging sanhi ng biglaang pag-collapse ng lupa and tipping of the machine. Before starting the engine, kinakailangang nauunawaan natin ang lahat ng control functions. Check all drivetrain controls, kasama na rito ang brake pedal and the drivetrain control lever. Check all gauges, warning lights, and safety devices. Itama ang anumang malfunctions kung meron man. Perform an operational check of the machine sa safe na area before putting it to work. To keep operating controls, kailangan free of grease ang ating mga kamay at safety shoes. At wala ring anumang tubig o putik para masigurado ang positive control ng mga functions. Sa area naman ng operator's compartment, all mounting steps and grab handles must also be free of oil, grease, loose objects, and mud, para maiwasan ang anumang posibilidad na pagkadulas ng operator. Remove or secure all maintenance and personal items para hindi ito makasagabal sa operator or makagulo sa controls inside the compartment. A careful operator is the best insurance against an accident. Be right, be wise, be a safety-conscious operator with IM Safety Tips. To easily access our IM Safety Tips videos, bumisita lamang sa aming YouTube account at hanapin ang album ng IM Safety Tips for more safety precautions. Huwag rin kalimutan bigyan kami ng thumbs up, hitting the follow button, and joining the subscription squad for more IM Safety Tips. Stay tuned for more!